From you see the face, you don't know. From you see the setting, this is 2 cents with pineapple. People big up on yourself once again. Do not be astonished. I am wearing the same thing as in the other video. I don't know which one of them I'm going to post first, but clothes have to repeat when clothes look good. You understand? This is a simple beat. I'm going to show you how you can do it simple. So, enough of that. Support me by buying some of my merch, t-shirts. The link will be linked below. Anyways, 2 cents with pineapple. Today we are going to get to a message out of the DM on Instagram. Yeah, and the crowd goes wild. So I could just go straight to it. I get a text. A queen texted me and said, can you do a show about men who cheat using social media? At first I was puzzled. I replied, I said, alright. And, you know, then we take it to the next step. And, you know, the girl right back again, or the queen right back again. And she said, I need advice. I'm going through this with my man. I'm sick of it. So as a woman, when a next female reach out to me, I don't want to act as if I'm better than nobody, or if I not go through struggles in a relationship or in a everyday life. So I reply back to her and say, sis, truthfully, you already know where you fit do. That me tell her. I say you know already what to do. You don't need no advice. You know already what to do. Alright then, let me crush that part there. And I say, you see, sometime in a life, people know already what they want to do, but them just need somebody to cry out to. Them just need somebody who can share. Them know the answer already, but it's always good to share it with a person. So I want to thank this person for reaching out to me, because she put her trust in me just from watching my YouTube videos. You get me? So big up yourself for the message. So we are going to talk about that. You know? We are going to talk about men that use social media to cheat. Alright. Cheating in person, being together in the same community, the same share, the same life, the same space, breathing space, and cheating on social media are the same to me. It no matter. It no matter if you see the person or you not see the person physically if you hug them, because you have spiritual bond, you have communication can turn up, you know, people can do things on social. What's my 2 cents? My 2 cents is the gravity of using social media to cheat, or cheating in person with the person that you share the same breath with, the person that you see and wake up at morning time and can hug and cuddle with and them something. My way social media cheating just as bad. Me even want to believe say social media is even more stable than some of them relationships where you have audio, you have get up with the man go work and him left go work, where you're living and breathing the same breath, same air. Sometimes I feel like say the social media relationship are, what am I gonna say, this internet relationship is a stronger bond than some of the other relationships there where they in a real life. Yeah? So if you are cheat on social media or you are cheat in person, it is just as bad. I don't feel like say you have to do that in a this time away where we live in. I feel like women have become so bold. Like we have been always bold. But nowadays, a woman a look man now, you know. Man now look woman again, you know. A woman propose to man now, you know. Man get kicked out and a woman a take over even the role of engaging to his peers or her peers or whatever. Cut that. Cut out that part there. Now women are even bold and strong enough to go down on them knees and propose to a man, because women just take over everything. You hardly have men in today's society because all of them are try to be feminine, like sweets, like things. One woman to take care of them. I don't know where they get that mentality nowadays. If you just work less, so if you just sit down and depend on a woman to take care of you and sort out your life. Where are the strong men, the leaders, the king that build empire for their family and look out for them family and want them family to eat? Which part are not there? I want to see in the comment section. Because these men nowadays turn to a lot of things. Some of them turn fish. Some of them turn mama man. Some of them turn biachas. Yeah. Man a beat them now. Them turn batty man and them something there. Just because them like things. Yeah? Me not understand that. Then our man fi sit down in a house comfortable and know the woman go work. Yeah? The woman go work, for instance. Come home. And have to come home, come wash and clean and cook. And take care of everybody. All no expect that for work. And then in the same instance, you have an internet relationship or you have an ex-woman. I want to know if the woman when you treat like that was your sister or your mother where somebody treats, so how would you know that feel? It's not right, it's not correct. You have to always be straightforward with things and how you play with human beings. Because nowadays, we play with human beings like we are toy. We deal with each other like we are toy. And we have to take human being. We have to take our presence very, 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 very serious. You can't make people try tie you out. You understand? It's not correct for you to have people clown you out. You understand? And I take them type of energy they away from you. So you see, if you're in a relationship and there's no interest in you from the other party and he might disrespect you in your face, you fly from a next country, you come visit him. When you visit him, in the internet with that woman. So that is basically the story. Oh, no feel good in myself. My take on it is this: leave this man alone. Leave this man alone. At the last, but leave this man alone, you know mean you're no good. Him not even a hide and do it. The man big bowl and don't care about your feelings, none at all. Leave him. Because if you don't leave him, guess what will happen now if you don't leave that man, you know. You go fight and fight and fight for relationship, and you go fight and fight relationship. The man still I go disrespect you for what him want. Cause him know what him want. You understand? The man know what him want. So if I know you get pick and you get duck. So no matter how much you fight, nothing I go on. Sooner or later, it will get physical. I start beat you. First him I go verbally destroy you. When a man no want a woman and then in a relationship, the man will go verbally destroy you. And you still a wall out, him a go now start physically attack you. Because him don't like you. When him come in at the house and him see you, him get irritated. When you anyhow you me I tell you say the man hate you now, you know. Anyhow you turn the rice in the pot and throw the rice in the pot and wash the rice, it irritates him. If you sit down and watch the TV and eat some popcorn, it irritates him. If you go bed, it irritates him. Everything you do, it will irritate him. So don't fight for that relationship because it's not your relationship. The relationship dead. Yeah? So sometime in our life, the signs are already before our eyes, but we don't want to see it. You understand? We want to fight for things. No. Sometimes some people just come in your life for your time, for teach you something or for bring you to a next level. Stepping stone. Yeah? Stepping stone. So when it's time to go, it's time to go. Nothing lasts forever. If them want cheat, make them go. Because remember, say cheating comes with a whole heap of different things, you know. Bring other girl bad blessing for you and them something there, you know. Bring other type of things for destroy you, you know. You get me? So just go if the man don't want to go. You know much blurs and skate fish in the sea or stone in the water. You know much things out there, much doors open. Every mistake is still a win. Every mistake you make in a life is still a win. It'll teach you something. So my 2 cents is this. It is just as bad as physically cheating on your partner. And if your partner is cheating on you using social media or any type of network where I use to do in fuckery, you need to just come out of the situation. Alright? Come out of the situation and just show yourself, say you are worth and you're more beautiful than what he is giving. You deserve better. So with that said and done, don't forget to like and subscribe to Jamaican Pineapple TV. That was my 2 cents on men using social media to cheat. Big up on yourself.